Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Audrey. I post videos here on YouTube, but I also make comedy and fashion videos on TikTok as well as on Instagram, so you can follow me on both those platforms, just at Audrey Trullinger. If you like today's video, please hit the like button because it really helps me out with YouTube's algorithm and it lets me know if you guys like these type of videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for Christmas as a 21-year-old. Honestly, I absolutely love Christmas, but this year when it came to asking for stuff for Christmas, I literally was at a loss because this year has honestly brought so many great things, so much abundance for me, and I like literally could not be more thankful. And I was to the point where I was just like, I feel wrong asking for things like from my parents. Like they've already done so much for me that I was just like, I don't really need that much, but they were still generous enough to get me some gifts and I really appreciate it. So some of the gifts they bought, but some of the gifts I bought, overall they were just my Christmas presents that I was like, oh well, I want that for Christmas, so I would buy it for myself instead of making them buy it for me because I felt bad making them buy it for me. Not sure what my boyfriend got me yet because I am going to see him tomorrow, so we'll see. He is amazing at giving gifts, so I'm very excited to see what he got for me. I got him the Nike Blazer Mid 77 white Celestine blue. I don't know, but those are the ones I got him. If you know anything about sneakers, I don't know anything about sneakers, but those were the ones that looked really cool that I thought he would like. And I got him this like cashmere hoodie thing from Ralph Lauren. So yeah, cute stuff. I also love giving gifts. That's one of my favorite parts of Christmas. I love giving people gifts more than I like receiving gifts, but obviously it is always so fun to receive a few great gifts. When I was asking for Christmas presents, I just asked for things that I needed. So most of these are just kind of like essential items and not really like just fun things, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's just get into it. The biggest thing that I got this year was a new vlog camera. A new Canon G7X, the exact same camera that I am filming on right now. And you might be like, well, Audrey, why? Because this camera, unfortunately, when I turn it off now, the lens doesn't completely close, so the lens is like always exposed, and I'm always like throwing my camera in my bag, putting it on my car seat, like doing so many different things with my camera that I can't afford to have it open all the time. It works perfectly fine. It just has a few little things that make my life significantly harder. So I was like, you know what? I might as well just get a new one and sell this one to someone who doesn't mind those little defects in the camera. So yes, very grateful for my new G7X. I'm very excited. I've also had this for like 3 years now. Next up, we have some cosmetics. So I got these Dr. Jart Clearing Solution sheet masks. I read all the reviews on Sephora and they look really great. So I'm really excited to use these. I also ordered myself a high frequency wand. I don't know if you guys have seen those on TikTok, but they've gotten really big. And when I got my facial last week, if you will look back at my vlog from last week, Sarah, my esthetician, used the high frequency wand on me and she told me it was really, really great for my skin and like kills the bacteria, and I trust her with like my life. So I was like, maybe I'll order a high frequency wand, and I actually found one on Amazon that looked very similar to the one that she used on me, and it has the violet or like argon gas that you put on your skin that is very good for acne and clogged pores and everything, and that's what I struggle with. The way that she used it was she put a sheet mask on my face and then used the high frequency wand, so I asked for a few sheet masks and I got these. Next up, I got some Beauty Blender cleanser. I am so excited that they came out with this in a liquid instead of the physical soap bar because I feel like that just gets so gross. It is so annoying to use. So I am just so glad that they came out with this, and this was just like a little stocking stuffer. Then I got the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I used to have this like a few years ago and I liked it a lot, but I think I had it in too dark of a color, so I never really used it. So I got it in a little bit of a lighter color, and I'm super excited to use this for those days that I just want more full coverage. Usually I use the YSL New Bare Look tint like every day, but this will be more for like going out or special occasions, and I'm just really excited to have a full coverage foundation again because I haven't had one in my makeup bag for a while. Next up, one of the things that I asked for that was something that I needed was hiking boots. And you might be like, Audrey, why did you need hiking boots? Well, I'm going to Hawaii for 3 weeks over J-term. J-term is our January term where you take one class for 3 hours a day, 5 days a week for 3 weeks. And it's basically a semester long class in 3 weeks. Since Elon has such an amazing study abroad program, they also have an amazing study USA program, and there's a class where you study the culture of Hawaii, and we get to go to Hawaii for 3 weeks and go to 4 different islands. But a lot of our class is always going on hikes and doing excursions. So I was like, I think I kind of need like hiking boots. So I got these QU Cloud, I don't know, but they're called, or Cloud? Are they called Cloud? But QU, I don't know. But they are the Cloud Rock Edge Raw hiking boots. And they look like this. I think they are so cool. I mean, for like hiking boots and with like a cute crew sock, I feel like they would be just like honestly flattering on my legs. And I'm just like really excited to wear these. I think that they are going to be a great addition to my wardrobe, especially for any other trips I take. Like if I go to California and I'm hiking, or Colorado. I mean, I've never gone hiking before, but maybe I'll go hiking in the future, so I might as well have some hiking boots, you know? But yeah, so my mom got me those and I was super excited about them. They are really, really nice, so I'm excited to wear those. Oh, and get excited, my Hawaii content, it's gonna be good, real good. I'm gonna be vlogging probably like every 2 days, so you will probably get a new video like 3 times a week when I'm in Hawaii. So subscribe if you're not already. Next, my mom got me these little gold hoops from Macy's. They have cubic zirconia, so they're not diamonds, but they are 14 karat gold over sterling silver. So that's what they look like. I think they are just so pretty and just really classy. Very much a statement earring if you're trying to dress something up. So I'm excited to wear these. I might wear them for New Year's, you know, like bling bling. Yeah, so those are super cute. We love these. If you guys didn't know, Macy's has the best fine jewelry. Like if you want to get something that is real gold, they have amazing sales on their fine jewelry. So you can get stuff like gold and diamonds for a steal from Macy's. Just pro tip. Then we went on a little bit of a shopping spree at Aritzia, and I will just show you the few things that I got. So this turtleneck is one of them. I don't know if you guys can tell the color, but it is a pale like ballerina pink, and I got it in this color, and I also got it in ivory. So maybe you can tell like when they're against each other, the difference. I don't know. I don't think you can really tell, but I just love turtlenecks. I literally think I have like 17 turtlenecks in my closet. So I of course had to get 2 cropped turtlenecks because they are the best and the most flattering shirts ever. Next up, I got these lounge pants. They are the Wilfred free lounge pants, and I have them in the short version, but these are like the regular length version, and they are just the softest pants ever. They are just so freaking cute. I am so excited to wear these. They're just so soft. I might have to get them hemmed because they are pretty long, but I think for like the time being, like literally just this week while I go to Charleston, because I'm going to visit my boyfriend tomorrow, I will just like deal with them being long, and then if I need to get them hemmed, I will get them hemmed. But I want to try them out long because long pants are always very flattering, because I feel like when pants kind of like flood over your shoes, it's like flattering. It makes your leg look longer. I don't even know, but yeah. Next up, I got this exact same turtleneck in black. I got it in black because it's perfect and I love turtlenecks. It's called the freshman turtleneck, not see-through. They are so soft, but really lightweight. So you can wear them even in like literally like 70-degree weather and be totally fine. I love them. And they're perfect for layering because they're not too hot. But they do keep you warm because they are a turtleneck and long sleeves. Next up, I got my favorite pants in the world, and they are the Effortless pant. I have them in ivory, and I finally got them in black! They are the best. They are just the perfect high-waisted, kind of baggy suit pant, and they just are such perfection. Like, they are perfection in a pant. They are so flattering. Like, they hit you at your waist and then go right out. Oh, they are the best pants ever, and I was so excited when they had them in my size at Aritzia when I went to shop there. And I have them in a size 4. I could go down to a 2, but like I kind of like that the waist is a little bit baggy with the 4, and I think that the 2 might have been like a little bit too tight. So I have them in a 4 in the ivory and in the black. And I love them. And then last but not least from our Aritzia haul, we have this vest. It is so cute. It's like the super puff vest. The pockets are lined with like fleece and they're so warm. And I think that this does keep you relatively warm because it's keeping your core warm, especially if you're wearing something like a turtleneck or a sweater underneath. Like this definitely enhances how warm you are at your core. I also just think that it's like a cute fashion staple that you kind of need in your closet is to have a cute vest. So yeah. And then a few things that I ordered that are not here yet, but I would consider my Christmas presents, and I will insert a picture of it. I got the Canon AE1 35mm film camera. I got it on eBay, and I'm so excited to use it because I really wanted to take film pictures when I'm in Hawaii, and I want to have those memories on film. I think that pictures like that turn out so cool. It's just, film is really something that is being brought back, and I absolutely love it. I love that it's being brought back, and I really wanted a film camera of my own, so I got one. And then I also ordered a GoPro. I got the Hero 9, I think, because obviously Hawaii, I want to get like really good footage for you guys for my vlogs and videos and stuff, and those things are coming in the mail. But yeah, that is basically what I got for Christmas. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Sorry it's not like the craziest what I got for Christmas ever, but it works and I'm happy with it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.